Welcome. Bam! It's Robert the Funnel Man. How you doing today? I hope everything's going just right for you. You know, today I want to get right into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a funnel inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And if you're somebody who has not yet figured out how to get online and how to get your stuff online, things that you're passionate about, then you're in the right place because I'm going to show you how to start a marketing or sales funnel inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, if you don't have ClickFunnels 2.0, that's fine. If you'll go to the description down here, I'm going to have just all kind of different links. And one of those links is ClickFunnels 2.0 of software that you can get your hands on and get started today, okay? I'm all about helping new people get started, get their online business started and get them up and running. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Here is my ClickFunnels 2.0. This is mine. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple funnel. So if you notice here, this is going to pop up whenever you get your brand new ClickFunnels 2.0 account. So when that happens, you're going to come over here, okay, it says funnels, okay, new funnel, all that stuff, workflows and all that. Funnels, you know, you have all this different stuff. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we are going to look at how to collect leads, because collecting leads is so important because you want to build your email list. So we'll just click right here, new funnel. And if you notice, it says lead funnel because that's what we chose. Now, also in here, Brunson's going to talk to you here, and he's going to actually show you how you can do this, okay? It's very exciting stuff. And so now, if you look down here, you see squeeze page 1, and then thank you page is number 2, page 2. So you come down here, and isn't that nice? You have templates that you can start building your actual funnel in. I tell you what, there's a lot of things in here. Let's go ahead and let's just go with this green one over here, okay? It says select funnel or preview. We could preview, but we really don't need to preview, but you know, you do have that option. Let's go ahead and select funnel. And it says we're installing your new funnel. Now, customize now, click on that. Okay, and so right now the thumbnails are loading up so we can take a look at it. And what this is a copy of a lead funnel. And once that thumbnail loads, we'll be able to get started here. There it is right there. So let's go ahead and, you know, we can preview it, but let's just go ahead and edit. And if you notice, it's the 2 pages that we talked about. So let's go over here and edit. So far, pretty easy, right? So here it is. And if you notice over here, here's the 2 pages. Now, if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, when we had ClickFunnels Classic, which we still have, and it's also known as ClickFunnels 1.0, you had to log completely out of this in order for you to go to your next page. But now in ClickFunnels 2.0, all you have to do is click here and it loads up your thank you page automatically. Okay, pretty incredible. So I want to go back to the opt-in page. Just go right there. Real quick and easy. So let's take a look at this. Let's say that you have a logo that you want to go in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click these 3 dots. You're going to go here to settings. Now, I have got quite a few different things in here as far as logos and things like that. So let's just go in here and pick something right quick. Let's go here to 12 and see what we got going on over here. Why don't we just use my logo? Okay, that'll work. There's my logo. Okay, and so now I've got my logo. Did you see how easy that was? And now let's say that maybe we think that this is too wide right here, okay? And also another thing I like to do is go up here to the hamburger and get a full page view. And when you want to bring that back, you just click on the hamburger again, okay? But I want the full page right now so I can see what I'm doing. And let's see if we can adjust, you know, how much space is in here. You just click the little gear right here and you come down here and you look at the different spacing that you have, okay? Now here, if it doesn't show you the text, then that's all that means is you just override and now it shows you everything, okay? And let's look at line height right here. Right now it's at 130. I generally like to keep it about 120, so I want you to watch right here as I bring this down to 120. Okay, you notice now, to me, that looks better instead of being so far. But also, as far as changing what this says, all you got to do is click on it. Seize your complimentary day at our acclaimed canine retreat. You know, if you didn't like that, and if you think 3 lines is too much, then you just click right here and you just delete that. Okay, and so now you've got it looking like this. Looks really nice. Okay, let's say that you really didn't want this dog here, so you just click on the gear, come over here. Let's look for some kind of animal or something that we can put in this thing. And, you know, speaking of that, if you can't find what you want, what's so cool is you can go right here. Just click right here, and let's search for puppies. Okay, now we got all kind of puppies in here. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's try this one. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click that save image. Okay, and it's going to save the image. Then you're going to click on it and put that in there. Now look, that looks a little bit big, doesn't it? No problem. You just come over here, click that, and here it says image width. You just bring down your width some until it looks like you want it to look. To me, I think that looks pretty good. And, you know, to make sure that it's evenly spaced, I'll come over here, click on the gear. And what I'll do is I'll give it a little bit of top margin. Okay, look at that. A little bit of top margin. Okay, now it's looking good. We'll just click save. There are so many different things that you can do when you're creating your funnel. Okay, there are so many different things. Okay, let's see what we got here. A YouTube video. So, no problem. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll grab a YouTube video. It doesn't matter what it is. I guess I get a, say, dog. Any of them will do. Let's just pick this one right here. Let's go ahead and just copy the URL with that one. Okay, and we come over here. You click on there, and then you just put the URL right in here. Okay, and it looks like they have that one. Let's check it out here. We can hit save. Okay, and we can hit preview. Okay, there's that. Come on down here. Let's see what happens. When we click on that, it looks like they're not going to let us watch that one. So we'll go to live page and see if that makes any difference. No, it looks like they're not going to let us watch that one. But anyway, obviously we have to grab a video that's actually going to work in there. And so it's really super cool, the different things that you can do inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, okay? I just went over just the tip of the iceberg. And so if you're interested in taking a look at this a little bit further, you know, I didn't want to keep this video too long, but if you're interested, look in the description. And also a huge announcement here, okay? And that is real soon, I'm going to be creating a brand new Funnel Builder membership site, and it's going to be free. And if you get on the early bird list, which the link is in the description. The early bird link is down in the description. And if you get on that, you'll be the first to know whenever I release the membership site. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to be teaching people all kind of different things, okay? So appreciate you. When you have time, check out thefunnelman.com and you can see kind of what I'm up to and what's going on. I wish you much success in all your endeavors, and we'll talk to you again on the next video. Awesome.